In my school community, I will turn you into 3D printing master from zero, even if you didn't touch a 3D printer before. I will take you from complete beginner to someone who can confidently design, print, and troubleshoot anything you can imagine and help you make some money. If you ever pulled a failed 3D print off the bed, if you watched 5 different YouTube tutorials and all told you something different, if your 3D printer is just collecting dust in the corner because you gave up trying to figure out why it keeps failing, I get that and I will help you fix that. I'm Dr. Dogan, the 3D printing doctor, and I hold my Ph.D. in robotics with additive manufacturing focus. And I did my postdoc at Yale University and completed my degrees. Also, I invented world's first desktop silicone 3D printer. I personally used and troubleshoot over 80 different 3D printers, including FDM, SLA, SLS, multi-jet fusion, and more. Here are some of my FDM machines. You can see the retired ones on the top and the others towards the bottom. And here you can see some of my resin 3D printers, including industrial ones. Over the last 10 years, I showed millions of makers how to 3D print with confidence, and don't be scared of your failures. My content reached over 2 million people over YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. I have taken total beginners from zero to start designing their own functional parts, and I inspire them to start their 3D printing journey, and I help them start their 3D printing businesses. Now, I want to do the same for you. Here, what is exactly waiting for you in the 3D Printing Doctor Academy. Beginner 3D printing course. Fundamentals are explained in a way that I wish someone explained it to me at my beginning. Start with the quick and dirty course. It's already in there. CAD Design Course. Stop relying on other people's designs. Start making your own. And learn to design from scratch. This is the most important probably for many of us. Troubleshoot Tuesdays. Bring me your failed prints. Let's go over them live and try to figure out what went wrong and fix them. Weekly live Q&A. Ask me any questions, I'll be there for you. Commercial STL library. You already know what it is and you will be able to reach to my designs, print them and sell them. This is one of the things I'm excited for. Exclusive project tutorials. We will do some stuff together, including robots. 3D printer reviews chosen by you. Vote on what I test next, so that reviews actually matter for you. Last but not least, a maker community, surrounded by people leveling up alongside with you. And at every community milestone, I will have some bonuses for you guys. This isn't just a course. This is a place that you will want to check in on. If you say, I have tried a course like this and it didn't help, most of the courses hands you generic settings and hope that it works for your printer. That's why they fail. I have personally used and troubleshoot more than 80 3D printers, including FDM and resin. So the settings and the troubleshoot framework I gave you is for adapting to your setup. It's not for one size fit for all. If you say, I don't have time to learn all this, you don't need hours a day. The courses are built in short and focused modules. And the Troubleshoot Tuesdays means that you bring your problem, we solve it together. You don't need to dig on YouTube for hours of research. Right now, the membership is $35 per month, or save 20% with a yearly plan. As the academy grows, I will add more courses, more tutorials, and the STL library grows. The price will only go up from here. Early members locks in today's date, and they will have first access to every new course and giveaways when we hit each milestone. If you are ready to go from beginner to a master of 3D printing, I will see you guys inside the academy.